Today we're showing you a 2018 Case IH Farmall 100C tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a Case IH L630 quick attach front end loader. Loader is quick attach. The tractor still comes with the balance of the factory warranty, has just under 200 hours. It's in excellent condition mechanically and cosmetically. Tractor looks practically like a new tractor. Front bucket's got a couple scuffs in it. It's got the skid steer cell hookup for your bucket connection. It does have the hookup up here if you want to add a grapple or bale squeeze, anything to that nature. Also has the grill guard on it. Paint looks excellent. Tires are just about new. It's got the Galaxy radial tires. Mirrors on both sides of the cab. Two entry doors in the cab. Rear fender extensions back here. It's got the two sets of rear wheel weights. Also has the buttons on both fenders, excuse me, for the 3-point and the PTO. Stabilizer bars, telescopic 3-point arms, dual rear hydraulics, rear wiper and rear work lights. If you're looking for a tractor that's very close to new, you found the right one. This tractor is just about as close to new as you're going to find. Toolbox right here. Also has the 1000 shaft in the toolbox there, so that goes right with the tractor. Inside the cab, plastic is still on the seat. It's got the buddy seat here to the side. That is an air ride seat there for the operator. Has tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Down below you've got your clutch pedal, individual brakes, and foot throttle. Notice there's barely any paint off those pedals. Over here to the right you've got your two main transmission sticks. You've got 3 ranges down below, 4 synchronized gears up here, plus a 2-speed power shift in each gear. Gives you a total of 24 speeds. Also has the Deluxe controller there for your 3-point. Back here you've got your engine settings and also your differential lock and 4-wheel drive switches. Back here you got some 3-point settings. Hydraulic controls and PTO also to the right. On the post there you get your climate controls, radio that is Bluetooth capable up top. Also has the visibility roof on the cab, rear view mirror. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. And as you can see, it still has Case IH warranty through 1/31 of 2021. So you've got a lot of warranty remaining on this tractor. It's a very, very sharp tractor. If you have any questions, again, please contact us.